Alright guys, today we are reviewing the Kimber Custom II. I love this gun. It feels good in the hand. You know, it's a Kimber, made in Yonkers, New York, USA. Just a beautiful, classic, simple gun. Good Novak, defense style sights. They're all blacked out. We'll go over, this real quick. Good gun, shoots well. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here it is, the Custom II Kimber. Beautiful gun, classic, full-size, all-steel 1911, done in just straight black, and it is just great. Feels good in the hand, shoots straight, wicked accurate. You'll see accurate reliability footage will roll in here. It's just a beautiful gun. Like I said, feels good in the hand. Just all the custom classic Kimber 1911 things that you would expect from this gun. Beautiful gun. Here we go. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little accuracy shooting at this hostage target, and we're going to go back to 21 feet and see how we do. American Eagle 230 grain ball. Works good. Alright guys, that was the review of the Kimber Custom Carry 2. This thing shot wonderfully and is just crazy accurate. I could put these things through the same hole every time if I wanted to, and it's just a great shooter. Love the gun. Feels good, triggers good. I mean, it's a Kimber. Everything is just a really great gun. All steel Kimber gun. I totally recommend it. If you don't have one, go get you one. Thanks for your guys' support.